ladies and gentlemen, Danny Fee here with Keller Williams Realty Las Vegas. Today we're here at 9564 Winborn, and I'm going to be taking you through this property to show you all of the upgrades and features that it has, including this amazing pool. Come on in and take a look. All right here in the southwest part of Las Vegas, as you can see, this home is situated on a corner lot, and the owners have recently redone the front yard landscaping. As you can see, it does look aesthetically pleasing, and it is very easy to manage. As we come over here on the side of the home, you will see the solar setup, because this home does have solar panels on the roof, making it more of an energy efficient home, and the bills have been fixed in a sense. Find out more about that by shooting me a DM or giving me a call at 702-354-1355. This is Danny Fee with Keller Williams Realty Las Vegas, and today we're walking through 9564 Winborn Ave here in the southwest part of Las Vegas. As you can see there, we're taking a look at some of that pool equipment, recently upgraded control panel, easily managed by your smartphone to turn on and off the waterfall, turn on the heater, and so much more with the lights. We'll walk into the entry of this home. You can see the vaulted ceilings. You can see the spacious and inviting entrance. And those are the stairs leading upstairs to where all of the bedrooms are situated. But before we go up there, let's go on and take a look at the downstairs area of this beautiful home. You can see that there's a fireplace there on the left, those flickering flames, and we are led into the dining area. Normally you might see additional furniture in this room, but the homeowners are getting prepared for their sale. So it is sometimes used as an area to watch some TV, as you can see right there. And let's go ahead and go on into the kitchen. You can see that we've got upgraded granite countertops there, an island with some stool seating there, kind of like a breakfast bar style island. Let's go over here and take a look at what else we've got in the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, French door, refrigerator, gas cooktop stove, and there's a view of that beautiful and amazing oasis-like pool in the backyard with that beautiful stone feature. You can see the family room here, kind of like a great room there, connected to the kitchen with another television and couches set up in there. And this is what I love most about this home. Look at this waterfall, the grotto, water coming over the jacuzzi area, a built-in water slide carved into that stone. Such amazing artistry and work. And that beautiful blue sparkling pool is so refreshing, especially in the summertime here in Las Vegas. Let's go around this pool feature just to get more of a look and feel. That's why we do these video walkthroughs. We want you to see what this home has to offer. So not just the photos, but also this walkthrough video. Okay, there, so you can see the water coming through. That jacuzzi heats up in minutes with the newly installed water heater back there in the pool equipment area. And then you can see this water slide easily turned on by one's smartphone. All of the instructions will be provided to the new homeowner, whoever is the lucky one to purchase this home and enjoy this oasis here in Las Vegas. Once again, this is Danny Fee with Keller Williams Realty Las Vegas, and we're looking at 9564 Winborn Avenue today. The zip code is 89147, and we're very close to Fort Apache and Twain, not far from downtown Summerlin. And look at this sitting deck area. You can, have friends, family over, enjoying that water slide, or you can enjoy it all to yourself. But also from up here on this sitting deck area, you saw there was a little power outlet sticking up there from the cool deck in case you need to plug any items in up there. That is available for you. As we come down and take another look from the east side of the home site, looking at the pool from where the deep end of the pool is right here, which you can see leads into that side gate area, and where the pool equipment is situated. Once again, that is a new control panel. This is an upgrade, and this was done within the last year and a half, I believe. So it's pretty much brand spanking new. Pentair, top of the line, good stuff. And there's a newer water heater, I believe, that was installed as well right here, powered by the gas that is run underground. Right there, you can see that hookup as well. If you have any questions about this property, if you want to know if there are any offers, if you have any questions about the locked-in power rate from the solar panels up on the roof there, give me a call. Danny Fee, Keller Williams Realty Las Vegas. My number is 702-354-1355. You can call, text, or just shoot me a DM if you're watching this on one of the social media platforms that we've got it uploaded to. As we go back into the kitchen here, you can see we have this pantry area for your dry goods, your food, and very convenient. Come right in after a nice swim and check out that fireplace. It's on both sides. You got access to it from the living room and on the other side in this family room area as well. You can see here you've got the upgraded security panels operated from your smart device. Same thing with the thermostat there. And this is where the powder room guest bathroom is downstairs. And so just a nice setup overall. Very difficult to find something like this, $500,000 or less in this part of town with these kind of features and amenities. You know, going in and out, you got your shoe closet there. You head right out to the garage. From here you can see it's got the upgraded epoxy floors to preserve that floor. There's storage overhead on both sides, so that makes it very convenient to store whatever you need to store up there. Excuse the other storage happening here. Like I said, they are preparing for their move, and so they do have some items stored in the garage here, but there are other features and benefits to this property, like that additional refrigerator can stay. You've got a tankless water heater here. That is an upgrade, helps save a lot of water. And you also have a water treatment system off here to the right, which is another benefit to this amazing property. You got your fire extinguisher right there, as you can see here, first aid kit right there on the wall, just in case. Always better to be safe than sorry. Has it readily accessible and available right there. And then, yeah, so let's go ahead, now that we've seen the downstairs, now that we've seen the incredible pool and waterfall and water slide and jacuzzi and spacious living room and great room, we'll head upstairs to see the bedrooms. You can see there, nice open feel, vaulted ceilings right here. And you've got your primary bedroom 2, 3, and 4 down that hall. And bedroom 4 is huge. I can't wait to show you that. A lot of space in bedroom 4 and a walk-in closet there. But first, let's take a look at the primary bedroom here, which will give you a little bit of a better angle from this corner. You've got the ceiling fans in all of the rooms with the ceiling light controlled by a remote control. We'll go over here to the north side of the home, and this is situated with a view of the backyard from up here. And then of course you got the primary bathroom with the upgraded flooring, nice modern look there. Double sinks. Okay, you got a separate tub and a separate shower in this primary bathroom, which is very nice to have. And this is a jacuzzi tub there, so very relaxing. Upgraded shower head. Okay, and then you've got a nice big walk-in closet over here. Once we open up that glass sliding door there, nice spacious walk-in closet here. And yeah, so, you know, huge value with this home. incredible property, and you know, just a really nice, quaint community. There is no HOA, no homeowners association with this community, so if that's something you're looking for, look no further. This home enjoys that not having a homeowners association. So you've got bedroom number 2 here. Ceiling fan, ceiling lights, and you've got your closet space there as we head into bedroom number 3. Not before we come across another smart thermostat upgrade in the property. Easily control the temperature of your home from your smart device with the ecobee application. Instructions to be given to the buyers of this property, the lucky buyers who get to enjoy this home. You see the floating shelves there. You've got this ceiling fan and light, which is controlled by remote control there. And I mean, just a gorgeous property overall, in my opinion. Nicely sized 4th bedroom here that I was telling you about before. Come on in and take a look. And you can see this one also has the ceiling fan and light situated on the front of the home. That is the south side of the home there. And you've got your walk-in closet in this bedroom as well. Lots of space. Anyone who's looking for a 4-bedroom, a nice home for entertaining, an oasis-like backyard with a beautiful rock-structured pool, this is it. And we're heading into the full bathroom. This is the 2nd full bathroom with the matching floors, the same kind of floors that you saw in the primary bathroom. This is a shower tub combo with an upgraded shower head and also an additional shower head, which is really nice to have. Okay, you've got shutters partially throughout the house, as you can see there down in the living room area. And then this is where the laundry room is. The washer and dryer stays with the property. Samsung appliances, top loading, and a home warranty can be included and transferred with this home as well, just to help protect that first year moving into the home. Those appliances, why not throw that in, an extra benefit for the buyer?